Hello, so in this lab we're going to be working on lab 10.4.4, which is to disable switch port. Alright, so this has loaded up. We'll click on the start menu and then Google Chrome rather 192.168.0.2, and then we enter the password. Processing. Let's see what we have. Disable ports 9, 12, 14, 7, 14, 17. So we go to port management and port settings. So we disable, let's say, port 9. Edit down. It was all before, but now putting it to down. Let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing. Apply and success. G12 down. Apply. Remember, G14 down. Apply. G15 apply down. Then G16 apply down. Then last but not least, G17 apply down. Then we go to apply, then success. So I guess we are done. We close this and we go to port 9. We save changes to the switch startup configuration. So we save startup configuration, okay, and done. Is there anything we missed? Nope, everything is fine. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.